So if we're going to turn these into improper fractions first, you're going to take your denominator and you are going to multiply it with the whole number, then take that and add it to the numerator. So I'm going to do 3 times 3 gives me 9. Add 2 to that and get 11. So this becomes 11 over 3 minus, I'm going to do 6 times 5 is 30. Add 1 more to get 31 over 6. So now that we've turned them into improper fractions, it is now the same type of problem that we were just doing earlier this period. So they do have different denominators. We need to find a common denominator. I have a 3 and a 6. And this one's a little bit different than what we saw before. Who thinks they know what the common denominator should be in this situation? Kate? Good. He says, I'm not going to do anything to the 6 because 3 goes into 6, which is perfect. 6 is the smallest number that they both go into. 6 goes into itself once, which means we don't have to change this. 3 goes into 6 twice, so we have to multiply top and bottom by 2. So our new denominator is going to be a 6. That is the smallest number that they both go into. 3 times 2 made 6, so 11 times 2 makes 22. I still have the 31 up here on top of this one. And now I can go ahead and do the subtraction. 22 minus 31. So if I start at 22 and I subtract 31, I go left 31 spaces. I'm going to end up at negative 9. Now this can be reduced, and it also needs to be turned into a mixed number. I usually suggest making the mixed number first. 6 is going to go into 9 once, with 3 left over. If you're not sure how to get that, you can set up the long division. How many times does 6 go into 9? It goes in once. And if you subtract, you have 3 left over. So 1 is our whole number. 3 left over is our numerator. 6 is still our denominator. 3 over 6 can be reduced, though. What number goes into 3 that also goes into 6? 3. So 3 goes into itself once, 3 goes into 6 twice, and that will be our final answer.